Hello and welcome to this tutorial video. My name is Tom Terran and I'm a solutions consultant with CompuMark in Antwerp. Today we will see how you can use the word search in TMgo365 to conduct quick and thorough online similarity searches. I will also show you how the user-friendly and powerful features of TMgo365 allow you to conduct your analysis and report your findings. This video only covers TMgo365 word searching. Please see the dedicated tutorial on TMgo365 image and industrial design searches if you need more information on those tools. To use TMgo365, simply go to www.compumark.com and click on the login button on the upper right. After entering your username and password, click on the TMgo365 link on the SERION homepage. This will bring you to the TMgo365 start page. There, click on Word to start your online trademark clearance search. To start a trademark search, simply fill out the text boxes on the following screen. You can enter a search reference in the box at the top of the screen. This makes it easier to retrieve your search in the SERION inbox and will be mentioned on your CompuMark invoice. Enter the mark you want to search in the Word Marks text box. Once the mark is filled out, type in the registers you want to search in the Databases text field. TMgo365 will offer suggestions on complementary databases at the right of the screen. To see an overview of all available databases, click the View Database List link below the text box. The price of your TMgo365 search is only determined by the number of search databases. Adding more databases to your search increases the search price. You can find the price of your search in the blue box at the upper right of the screen. Once you have selected all of your databases, you can enter the classes in the text box below. Adding classes to a search does not affect the price of your search. Again, TMgo365 will mention complementary classes on the right of the screen. Finally, you can enter goods and services for your search. This is an optional step, except when you are searching common law sources. Adding goods and services will not limit the scope of the search, but TMgo365 will mark out results with similar goods and services, making for easier analysis. After filling out all of your search details, click on the Search button at the bottom of the page. TMgo365 will ask you to confirm the price of the search. Click on Proceed to start the search. This should only take a few minutes to complete. You will receive an email once the search is done. To open your search, simply go to your SERION inbox and open it there. TMgo365 will open up your search in the Decision Support window. This window offers a quick breakdown of the search results, showing at a glance how many identical, similar and inactive results were found. These are clearly marked out in different colors. Red and orange for identical marks in the search classes, blue for identical marks in other classes, gray for inactive identical marks, and yellow for similar trademarks. You can click on each segment to see a compact overview of the relevant marks. To see a trademark's complete information, simply click on its name. This will show the trademark's full information, along with general information on the trademark owner and T-tab information for US marks. You can add comments to a mark, mark out the importance of a trademark with the color markers, or select a mark for inclusion in your report. You can also do this on the right of the main Decision Support screen. In addition to the main Decision Support screen, you can also click on Tag Cloud to see a word cloud of the most frequently found terms for your search. As in the previous screen, you can click on any term to see more details on the retrieved marks. To go to the full search results, click on Go to My Report at the upper right of the screen. The Analysis and Report table provides a compact and comprehensive view of the search results, with the main trademark information available at a glance. As in the previous screen, you can click on the trademark to see its full information, add comments or color markers, and select trademarks for export. On the left, you can see a breakdown of the applied search strategy. The strategies are sorted by similarity, with identical results at the top. You can also filter the list on status or matching goods by using the options at the top and the bottom of the list. You can easily go through the different strategies, checking out the different levels of similarity, even when the search has yielded a lot of results. From top to bottom, TMgo365 delivers the following results. Identical marks. This includes phonetically identical marks. Semantically similar marks will be found for English language marks. For example, searching blue moon will also find red moon or blue sun. Translations of your searched mark into 6 European languages are covered. Phonetically and orthographically similar marks to your mark are searched thoroughly. This covers trademark with 1 or 2 letters difference, anagrams, marks with a similar vowel and consonant structure to your mark, and marks containing partial strings of your mark. Select the trademarks you wish to include in your final report by marking them out with the arrow in the results list. Once all important results have been selected, go to the Quick Export menu and simply select one of the available report templates to create your final report. Thank you for taking the time to view this tutorial video on conducting clearance searches in TMgo365. I hope this tutorial was useful. Do not hesitate to contact us at the email addresses or numbers below, or use the in-system chat function if you need any further information on TMgo365 or our other trademark solutions. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.